Hello, Lina. How are you? Hello, Lina. Hello, Lati.
Hello. Hi, Miss.
How are you today? Are you ready?
Yes.
So you bring your
Yes.
pencil, papers, and everything?
Yes. Yeah.
Good job. Just 5 minutes. I will wait for the others to join. Then we will start. Remember, every heart today, it's going to be accounted as 4 points. Okay? Not 3.
Okay. Hi, Miss.
Hi. Hi, Rancy.
Hi, Miss. How are you?
I'm fine, Rancy. Thank you. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the first question for today. Remember, it's gonna be 1 minute. You will try with yourself. After that, write your answer in the chat box. Then we will explain each question. But I wanted to see how can you think about each question. Now, let's start with Lina because Lina came the first today. Lina, can you read the question?
The sum of the dots on opposite faces of
Face.
an faces of an ordinary
Dice is equal to
dice
7.
is equal to 7. Which of the following shows the ordinary one?
1. So now, if the total between each opposite faces equals 7, so which one of them is the ordinary one? Only one is true. Which one? Let's think. Now I'm waiting in your chat box, and after all of you solving, I will say the true answer, and also I will explain.
Teacher, I think it's E.
No one knows. We answered in the chat box. After that, we solve. And remember, if you take a heart in the chat box, today it's going to be as a 4 marks. Only Lati answered? Who else? مشاعل, Donna,
Teacher,
Freda, Lina.
Duna answered.
Maybe it comes late. Yeah, now I found Donna. Freda, welcome. So you can join. Okay, now the first true answer is Lati. Excellent. So now Donna will explain why you choose B. Remember, each two opposite must be
Yes,
7.
teacher.
Yeah, each two opposite must be 7. So now look at here.
I choose B because A is 5 plus 2 equals A equals 7, and B equals
7. And
C
C equals 7.
and D equals 7. Only the one who not equals 7 is what?
E.
Yeah. So you change your answer, I think, right? Now, only the ordinary one is E. How can I get the answer, teacher? When I found from here 5 and 2 will be 7, 5 and 4, no. So maybe the opposite will be a 3. But the opposite of 5 then will be 1 or 6, so it's not 7. So this is not ordinary. Now, here you found a 7, so maybe the opposite here will be 6, but down will be 4. Down will be 5. So the opposite will be not 7. From here, the same way. From here, 5. So the other way may be 2. But down in here will be 3 and 4. So the opposite of 6 will be a 3. So it's going to be 9. No, it's not ordinary also. Only from here, if you found 4. So here you will found a 3 on the side. Down, it's going to be 1. And in the other side will be 5. So when you collect up and down 7, in front of you and behind, 2 and 5 will be 7. 4 and 3 will be 7. So the only ordinary one is E. Thanks for all of you. I think all of you solved this correct. Any questions?
No.
Anyone has a question about this? All of you understand? Any questions?
Yeah. No mistake.
Okay, if anyone has a question, also you can write in the chat box if you cannot say. Okay. Now the next question. مشاعل, try to read the question and after that we will solve. Okay. مشاعل.
Yes.
مشاعل.
Yes.
Okay, let's read the question.
I read it.
Yeah. Let's
On
read.
each of 3 pieces of paper, a 3-digit number is written. 2 of the digits are covered. The sum of the 3 numbers is 826.
Super.
What is the sum of the 2 covered digits?
So we have a number covered here and another number covered here. Wow, but we don't know. But we know if we add all the numbers, we can get 826. So what will be the 2 covered numbers? No, I don't need the 2 covered numbers. I need, after adding the 2 covered numbers, it's going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's try. Only you have 243. And here you will find a 7 missing number. And here you will find a 1, 6, and 2 missing number. The sum of all of this, it's going to be 826. So what will be the total of the 2 missing numbers? I'm waiting. You can just try, and after that, we will solve together. Welcome, Rima. You can try. We start just a question before you come, so you will try from this question. Only you will add and subtract.
I don't understand this question.
This question?
Yeah.
Okay, we will solve. But just try. Try
I don't
now.
understand what I'm supposed to do.
We wanted to know what is the missing numbers and add them. Just wait, I will explain all of this, but we have to try. So you will tell me how can you think about this. Rima, Freda, Mashal, all of you solved. I'm waiting for Lena, Ransi. العاطي بنان جوانا what is this number and what is this number also, and after that we will add them. Joanna, I'm waiting for your trial.
Okay, wait.
You can just try. Okay. Lena, Joanna, I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Lena, Joanna, only you is left. Donna, if you are in the exam, you have only to choose one, D or E. Okay, now time's up. And so who solved the first? Rima. Rima, can you help me? Rima? Rima, can you help me?
I did it just before the time finished.
Okay, I see. But I'm sorry, no one solved it true. So no one take a heart.
Yes, miss.
No one solve a true answer, so let's try together. No one say the true answer. Okay, let's try now. I will skip this is missing, so I will just add. So let's add together, Rima, because you solved the first and you solved wrong, by the way. 3 plus 7. So I will just add.
7.
Yeah,
10.
10. 10 and 6.
16.
6 down and 1 up. Now 1 and 4.
1 and 4. 5.
5 and 2.
5 and 2. 7.
7. So how many you need to get 2? Teacher, I cannot add for a 7 to get 2. So it's not 2. It's actually 12. So this is 12, right? So how many you need to add to 7 to get a 12? Rima, how you need you more to get a 12? This is not 2 because of course 2 more than 7. So this is a 12 actually. So I will take 1 from this side and put here as a 12. So now how many you need more is a missing number?
I don't know.
5 is, sorry, 7 plus how many to give you 12? 7 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many more you
5.
need? 5. So the first missing number is 5. Now we take this one. We take this one here. Why, teacher? Because this is 12. So of course, when you add, you write 2 down and 1 up. So I take this one to add correctly here. Now 2 plus how many give you? 8.
I
2 plus how many give you? 8.
think 6. Not sure. Guess 6.
Okay. So this one is here from a 12, 2 down and 1 up. So 1 and
5.
2 is a, yeah, 1 and 2 is a 3, 3 and
5.
5. So 5 and 5 is?
10.
Okay, let me add now. But it's not 5 because there is 1 here. Okay, let's do it again. All of this is missing because of the handwriting. So let's do it again. 1, and here's 7. There is a missing number. 6 and 2, there is a missing number also. Now, after adding, it's going to be 6 and 2 and 8. We say it's going to be 5 from here. 6 and 1, this is 16. So 6 down and 1 up. Now 1 and 4 equals 5. 5 and 5 is a 10. 10 and 2 is a 12. So 2 down and 1 up. Now Rima, 1 and 1. Rima, 1 and 1 equals 2. 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 4. 4 and how many give me 8?
2 and 5.
No, 4 and 4, not 4 and 5.
How?
4 and 4 to give you 8. Now, when you add, it's going to be C.
Miss, I did not understand. I thought how many will give you 5? Like if we add the 2 with something.
So interrupt about this question. You need to explain again.
Yeah, Miss, I thought that it has to be like the same number. I did it and it was for 5 and 4, but I didn't know that we add the 2, then we get the answer.
No, it's here. What is the sum of the two covered digits? So you will add the 2 digits after this. I think, Rima, you interrupt about this one. You forget to put this one, right? You interrupt about the 1 up. So I will give you a homework today about the same question to be more practicing, okay? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I will give you another question.
Homework, but okay.
So you will solve it now. It's up to you.
I have homework at school every day. This is way too much.
But in a math, I don't give you a homework. Tell the truth.
Okay.
Okay, so you will take this number now. You said. I will write you the question now in the chat box and you will solve, okay?
Okay.
Just wait for me. I upload the picture for you as a exercise on the same. But
Okay.
it takes just 1 minute. It came on the chat box. Anyone can see the picture on the chat box?
No.
No?
Just a second. The same question, but also find the 2 missing number.
Teacher, I didn't find it.
Maybe it uploaded just because of the internet. Sometime it's late. Now we will just try the sum. Not the answer. I need the sum. Oh, I just make it 1. Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, I'm waiting. What is the missing number? I give you now exercise as only 1 missing number. Now I ask about the circle. What is the missing number in the chat box? I will open this on the screen so you can solve if anyone don't has a chat box. You can write the answer, Mashal, if you know. If you know the answer, you can write. Oh, I cannot I cannot rotate this, but I need this number.
Teacher, I know the answer.
You're right. Write in the chat box. What is
Miss,
the
I wrote
missing
in the
number?
chat box it's 7, right?
No one knows. We all trying now.
Can I write the number?
I'm waiting for all of you to solve. Then I will tell you which number is the true.
Wait, teacher. Hold on.
I'm waiting. All of you solved?
No, wait.
Wait. Okay. We'll solve the first one.
Wait, hold on.
I'm holding. Don't say anything. Good job, Farida. Good job, Lena. All of you. Okay, now I give you only one missing number. So let's take a question with the two missing numbers.
Teacher, you didn't put a heart on mine.
Now with the two missing number, what will be the two missing number here? مشاعل، لينا، جوانا، بنان، Frida. Now the next question. What are the missing numbers? No, I don't need the missing numbers. I need the sum. The sum of the missing numbers. Try again, مشاعل. مشاعل, try again and add the two missing numbers. Now I will open the other question. This question is 7. All of you, I think, solve it correctly.
Yeah.
So now I need the other question with the two missing numbers. There's two missing, and I don't need the two. I need the sum of the two missing numbers. Till now, no one get the true answer, by the way. مشاعل, Donna, Lena, Freda, all of you get a wrong. Try again. Don't forget, if you wanted to regrouping, so maybe there's one here, maybe there's one here, so don't forget this ones. Because till now, no one. Remember, I need the adding, so after getting this number and this number, don't forget to add. Okay?
Okay.
Banan, مشاعل, Joanna, take 4 marks.
Yay!
Okay, now try to solve with me, Donna. Donna, try to solve with me.
This one's really easy.
Donna, try to solve.
Yes,
okay?
teacher, I'm here.
Okay, let's add. Let's try to add, then we will find the missing numbers. Now, 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is?
10,
Okay, now 10 and 2.
12,
Okay, super. So 2 down and 1 up. Don't forget this one.
it will, the missing number of
of the second thing is 7.
Now it's gonna be 7 and 1,
8.
but it's not 8. So how many for the 8 I need to get? How many I need to add for this 8 to get 4? So 8 plus how many to give me 4? So it's not 4. Actually, it's what?
14.
14. Yeah, it's 14. So how many I need to add to get this 14?
8.
8. Are you sure? 8 plus 8
No,
not
wait.
14.
It's 6.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
6.
it's a turn for Donna, so it's gonna be 6. Good job. Now don't forget to put this one up because it's 14. So 4 down and 1 up. 1 and 3 and 1. Donna, 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 3,
2 and 3, 5.
5. So now 5 plus how many give me 7?
2.
So this number is 2. Now you have 6 and 2, so give me the sum.
It will be 8.
So not 10, not 9, not 11. Thanks for all your trials. And now let's continue with the next question. You understand this? The question before you understand, or you wanted to ask about anything? The question with the cards.
No,
You
Miss, we
understand?
understand.
Okay. So
No,
let's go
teacher,
to the
thank
next.
you.
Okay. Now the next question. Riri the frog. Sorry. Riri the frog usually eats 5 spiders a day. When Riri is very hungry, she eats 10 spiders a day. She ate 60 spiders in 9 days. So how many days was she very, 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 very hungry? Remember, 60 per days. Days is very hungry and some days is not hungry. Not hungry, but not hungry very, very hungry as usual. So remember, in the normal days, she ate 5. In the very, very, very days hungry, she eats 10. So now we need to know in the very, 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 very days she is hungry, how many days she eats. And remember, the total is 60. So you will multiply, try to multiply, 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 till you will get a total is a 60. So now, how many days she is very hungry? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Lina, you write 0? This is 0 or C? Donna also 0? What is the 0? العاتي, you said C. Banan D. Farida D. Lina, no. 3. Mashael said B. Okay, we will try. Joanna, what is Joanna?
Here.
Joanna, Ransi, Rima, what is your answer? I'm waiting.
Teacher, can I answer? I'm Duna.
You can write your answer in the chat box, and after all of them answering, I take the wrong one who will answer.
I write my answer. You can see it in chat.
Okay, I found LITC, Banan D, Donna 3, so it's C actually. B, C, D, T. So you
Miss,
interrupt between C and D. You interrupt
Miss
between C and D.
Melina, I wrote 0 by mistake. It's C.
Okay. Now I'm waiting for Rima and Joanna.
Yes.
Rima and Joanna, where?
I
Joanna,
write
right?
for you in the chat.
Okay, I'm waiting for Joanna.
Teacher, C is correct, right? Teacher, I wrote.
No one knows. We will know now. Because if I say what is the correct, all of you will write C C C C C C C. If I say B is a correct, all of you will write B. So how can I count the hearts? Don't forget, each heart today will be as a 4, not a 3. Because we get the questions harder. But mashallah, most of you solve correctly. It's not hard for you. Now it's C actually. So Mashail will solve with me. Mashail. Mashail, let's solve. Mashail. Let's solve, Mashail.
Teacher, I'm Duna. Can I answer?
No, you answered correctly, so you say 3. I take someone who answered wrong. If you say
Why?
3, that's mean you understand. I need someone not understand the question. So now, Mashail, you gave the first wrong answering. Mashail, are you here? Okay, Rima. Rima. Farida.
Yes.
Farida. Okay, can you help me to solve this?
Okay.
Okay, remember when you multiply, you have to multiply with a number at the total of 9 days, okay?
Okay.
Again, the total of all the spiders are 60. If it's eat 5, if it's eat in the normal days, it's eat 5. In the very, very hungry days, it eats 10. So let's see how many days. We will try. So if I try here 4 and 5, because we want a total 9. So now let's multiply 10 times 4 equals,
40.
and here 5 times 5.
25.
Let's collect 40 and 25.
40.
40 and 20, 65. Wow, it's more. So if it's more, I need to less the number, right? So I
Yeah.
will take 1 from this side and put here. So let's take 1 from this. Maybe we will use as a 3, and here it's going to be 6. Now let's multiply. 10 multiply 3 will be,
30.
good job. And 5 multiply 6.
30 again.
So when we add,
We'll get 60.
super. So the very, very, very hungry days is 3 days. You understand now, Frida?
Yes.
Super. So if I give you tomorrow another question, you will solve with the
Okay.
same
so
idea.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions about this? Any questions? Let's go to the
No.
next.
No, teacher. Teacher, can I ask you?
Of course.
Okay, so all of this questions we solve it from we start this Kangaroo session. This is all right, like the answers in the exam Kangaroo session.
Of course, this is actually Kangaroo exam in a 2019. And the days before, it's exam for 2020, 2021. So all of this actually is exams. I just choose that the week before, I choose the easiest one with the 3 marks. From this week, I start with to be more harder with the 4 marks. After that, I will start with the most hardest questions with the 5 marks. But I found all of you solve and don't care about marks. Hmm.
So every heart is 4 marks now?
Today, all of this is from the 4 marks. In the exam, you have 30 questions. The first, where is the mouse? Yeah. The first 30 questions will be with the 3 marks. So you will find most of them is easy for you. The next 10 questions will be with a 4 marks. And we take it today, and next session also will be with the 4 marks. After this, you will find the last 10 questions with the 5 marks, and most of them will be a bit hard for you. So I wanted to save your time to these questions, please. Don't forget. Okay, save your energy and your time to the last 5 questions. Also in the exam, you can just mark the question that you found as a hard and go to the next, because questions is not closed, okay? Any other questions?
No.
No mistake.
Let's go to the next. Wow, this is imagination question. So now Bea plays with a yardstick consisting of 10 sticks. This is the sticks Bea played. Which of the following figures cannot be formed with this yardstick? So one of them can do with this, cannot do. A or B or C. You have to imagine. So if you start from this, can I do this? Which one of them is not correct? A or B or C or D or E? Imagine you play with this and try to do. I'm waiting. You can use your pencil to say, how can you start? And also you can accept answers. If you found this answer is, no, we can do this, so you can accept answers. I'm waiting. No one answered?
No, teacher, we answered. You can see it on chat.
Oh, sorry, it come all in the same time. Maybe because of the internet. So Lena, you say 0 again, or this is a mistake?
Miss, my chat now is lagging, so I can't answer.
What's your name and what's your
Rima.
answer? And what's your answer?
If I want to answer, it just lags and shows me the old chat.
So you can tell me now. Just say your me is Rima and my answer is A or B or C. That's it.
Okay.
What's your answer now? What's your answer, Rima?
Miss, just wanted to tell you that because I'm still thinking about it.
But time will be up. Lena, I
it's E.
found your answer. Okay, Lena, I found your answer is 0. So what's your answer? You write A. Okay. Now, who
Miss,
say
my name
the
is Rima.
true
I think it's
answer?
E.
Okay. Actually, the true answer is C. Duana and Banan. Thanks for, yeah, you are the true answer. Now, Donna, let's start. Oh, Donna, right. See, after saying, it's okay. Okay. Now, B actually is the first one I will remove. If I start with anyone, I can make like this. It's not interrupt. But if I start from this side, I can make this like on this. Look. I can make it here till this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same. Now from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But how can you interrupt between the, how can you put this and again this? So you need to put this 2 times. So you need 11, not 10. This from D we can do, from E we can do, because you don't make the 2 times. But from C, when you think from this side, look, this is here. You will start from
teacher,
this side up.
teacher, why we choose C? Why we didn't choose D?
D, you can do D.
Why?
If you start with D, you will start from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Again. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I count. No, I will erase. Start from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can do D. You understand why it's not D, Donna?
Okay, teacher.
So it's 10 and you can do. Any question for this?
No. So, teacher, the exam of the kangaroos will be online or school?
Online.
Okay.
Any other question about this with the stacks?
No.
Anyone wants to ask?
No.
Okay, let's go to the
Yes,
next.
miss, I didn't understand.
Which one? This?
Yeah,
So now you understand why it's not D, why it's not B?
I didn't understand everything because when I count the sticks, they're all 10.
Okay, let's try to do A with the stacks.
Miss,
Mm.
I can't really hear you. I can't hear you.
Hello.
Teacher, I can't hear you. Teacher.
Teacher, we can't hear you. The teacher is closing her mic.
Her mic is open.
Hello? Hello? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, yes, now.
Sorry, my
clear.
mic is closed by mistake. I'm sorry. Because of
No
electricity. Okay, now Lina, you say I don't understand. So you choose which one? Lina, you choose
Yes,
which
miss.
one? Yeah, you choose which one? A or B or C or D or E? Which one of this you think it's true?
B.
B? Okay, let's start. This is a tennis text. Which point we will start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we connected it because I asked I cannot connect. Which one I cannot connect? From A, let's start from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So also I can do A, I can do B. From A, I said which point? Yeah, I will start from which point? I said Donna.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Donna, we said on a D, I will start from which point?
From this one.
Okay, so let's go. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6,
6,
6,
7, 8,
7.
9, 10. Okay, you focus with me. Also D, I can do only C. Let's try from any side. It's gonna be more than you cannot connect it. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, again 8. So I can't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, I can't. You will try, and you cannot do C. Also, if you try with E, you will do. Now you understand the point of the question, Lina?
Yes.
Good job. So are you ready for the next question?
Yes.
Good job.
Yes.
This is easy for you. 5 equal squares are divided into 2 smaller squares. Which square has the largest black area? So it's about a fraction, the ratio. Which one of this had the greatest black? Remember, if you wanted to write a fraction, up you will find the colored and down all. So now, which one of them had the largest black area? What's your opinion? I'm waiting. Francie, you say B. Joanna, D. Lina, A. Or this is a question before? This is a question before.
Yeah, it's the question before.
Okay, sorry. So now I will start. Joanna, E. Donna, A. E, C, E.
Teacher, I choose E.
Okay. Now, all of you answered. Do you wanted to know what is the true answer? But till now, no one gave me the true answer, to be honest. Remember the fraction? About E, when I collect the plaque, I found it 18, and all of them is a 25. So from here, let's count. This is 5.
Teacher, I said B.
5
Teacher,
black. 5
I
black
changed
and
my answer to B. Is that okay?
okay, I will see. And all of this is how many? 5 times 5 also will be 25. So of course this is less than. I will cancel D. Let's count from C. 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 4 is 8. And the total is 4 times 4. So it's going to be 8 over 16. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 over the total. 3 times 3, 5 times divided by 7. And from here, it's easy, 2 over 4. So which one is the greatest? What do you think now? You can change your answer if you want. Someone answered, not someone. There is answering true, but I'm waiting. All of you finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the true answer is B. Who answered true?
Me.
B is Lati. Excellent.
Why did you beat the
Joanna.
I know why. Because it has like 4 like white squares and 5 black. It has more black.
So excellent. So the black is more than the white.
Yeah.
Okay, and also I can compare between fractions. Look, if I have this fraction, 18 over 30, I can simplify. So I can divide by 6. It's going to be 3 over 5. Now 3 over 5 and 5 over 9. Let's multiply. This will be the greatest, right? You understand now
Yeah.
why B is the greatest one?
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, let's go to the last question and don't forget to collect your hearts as a 4 marks.
I don't know how many hearts I got. I think like I got.
You can count. Now the last question, I will just give you a note about this question. A big triangle is divided into equilateral triangles. The equilateral triangle, you know this, you take it in a grade 4, the equilateral is equal from all sides. So if this is 1, so this is 1, so this is 1, 3, 3, 3. So all the sides must be equal if I say equilateral triangle, the figure. The side of the small gray, this side, is 1 meter. What is the perimeter of the big triangle? So the perimeter, you know, the perimeter is the line around. So what is this? It's going to be how many? And you will say why, of course.
I think D.
I'm waiting.
Wait, I'm gonna write it in the chat.
A, B, C, D, E. This is 1, and we need the perimeter of all.
Or
I'm waiting. In between A or B, but in the exam Mashal, you can only answer one, A or B. So you will choose A or B and why.
Yeah, I
I
am
will
like
ask you why.
a little bit
You're
confused, like
Yeah, you're
between A
confused.
and B.
So you will mark the question, and go to the question next. But now just tell me, because I will give you
No,
the
I
hint.
will choose B.
teacher,
I will
if
choose
we
B.
mark the question, like, do we have do it later after the exam, or?
No, if you mark the question, that means I will go to the question next till I think about this question. Not to waste more time, because you have only 90 minutes on the exam to finish. So sometimes a question take more time, you can leave it to the last. Okay, now all of you answered, or I will wait?
Yes.
Okay, so Joanna, Lena, Freda, good job. It's A, actually.
Yay.
So now, who wants to help me about this? Rima, can you help me because you don't answer? Rima, you want to help me?
Okay.
Teacher,
Okay. Okay. So you remember we say it's equilateral, right? So if this is 1, that means this is 1 and this is 1, right? And the other triangle also is equilateral. So if this is 1, that means this is 1 also, right? And if this is 1, that means this is 1 also. Till now, it's right, Rima?
Yeah.
So if this side is 2, that means this side is 2 because it's equilateral. And this side also is 2. And this side is 2. And this side is 2. This side is 2. And from here, it's 1 and 1. So this side is equals how many? 5.
Yeah.
5 times 3. Yeah. 5 times 3 equals?
5 times 3, 15.
Good job.
So it's A.
Yeah, it's A. Now tell me in the chat box, because time is up. Thanks for today. Just tell me about your points to give the gold medal to who collect the greatest points. Okay, Donna 28, Freda. I think you more than 9, Freda. You solved more today. Wow, Lati, you take the gold medal today. Thank you.
Teacher.
Yay.
I'm
If I
still
meet you one day, I will give you the 30 points.
Wait, teacher.
Okay? I'm waiting for all of
Okay.
you to count. Thanks for today for all of you to joining me. And thanks for your time.
Wait, teacher, wait.
I'm waiting. I don't go. Okay, if you get more than 30, you can tell me in the school and I will give you your gift, okay? Donna, you get 28, so this is a silver medal, but I need the gold. Excellent, Ati. I'm waiting for you next Sunday. Thanks for all of you. Wish you a happy day. Bye.
Bye.